In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a Zoom meeting link to a Google Calendar event. Whether you want to use the Zoom Google Calendar integration, which I highly recommend, or prefer to do it manually, I've got you covered. First, let's dive into the recommended method, which is using the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on. This integration saves you time and keeps things organized right from your Google Calendar. Here's how you set it up. Begin by opening your Google Calendar. You'll notice a side panel on the right. Look for and click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type in Zoom for Google Workspace. Once you've found it, go ahead and install the add-on. After installation, you'll need to authorize Zoom to access your Google account. This step is crucial for synchronization. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Zoom account, ensuring that your Google Calendar and Zoom can communicate without a hitch. With the add-on installed and authorized, create a new event in Google Calendar as you normally would. Simply click Create or select a time slot that suits your schedule. When you reach the section labeled Add Video Conferencing, choose Zoom Meeting. Alternatively, if the add-on panel is visible, you can select Zoom Meeting from there. Google Calendar takes care of the rest by automatically inserting the Zoom meeting link and join details right into your event. This integration is certainly a great time saver and ensures that everything is formatted correctly. Now proceed to add any guests or participants as you see fit, fill in the event title, and set the time details. Once everything looks good, hit Save. Your invitees will receive the calendar event, and importantly, it includes the Zoom link. When the time comes, they can simply click Join Zoom Meeting to jump right into the meeting, hassle-free. Next, let's explore Method B, which involves manually adding the Zoom link. This option works well if, for some reason, you don't have the add-on installed. Begin by creating your Zoom meeting on either the Zoom app or their web portal. Once scheduled, copy the join URL or the full invitation text. In your Google Calendar, create a new event at the desired time. This time, you'll need to manually paste that Zoom join link into the event details. You could use the location field or the description field, or place it in both to make sure it's seen. Once again, add your guests or participants and then save the event. Choose Send to make sure your invites go out. Those invited can join the meeting using the link right from their calendar event at the scheduled time. Whether using the efficient integration or doing it manually, both methods are straightforward and effective in ensuring your meetings are accessible and well organized.